Hello and welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So today the topic is my favorite podcasts in 2020. Now the background is a little different because I am at my mom's place. Now what is a podcast? Podcast is an audio program which normally is listened to on phone, and it covers a wide range of topic. It may be a solo interview, it may be a discussion, it may be a chat show, but it is an audio program. Podcast has been famous since the last few years, and I have been introduced to podcast by one of my friends. I have never been a person who was very much into talk shows and radios, but podcast has actually hooked me because it has a different vibe to it, and I love the topics that they cover and the discussions that are being taken place generally on podcasts. From current affairs to pop culture, there are so many wide array of topics that are being discussed in podcasts, and you will get to know so much about things that you are interested in. And there are different kinds of podcasts that are being available in Spotify, in iTunes, that you may tune into, and you can be a subscriber or you can follow them. You can listen to the podcast. It's like someone is talking, but you don't have to watch it. You can just listen to it and you will gather so much of information, and it will keep you hooked, because the way that you listen to the radio and the FM shows, it's the same kind of a pattern, but in a more interesting way. You can listen to podcasts anytime, any day you want. And for example, if you're commuting, or if you are going to some place and you're getting bored, or if you are cooking, or if you are doing something else, you can do that, and at the same time you can listen to the podcast. So it's a very good way of spending your time. I generally listen to podcasts at night or at times when I'm getting bored, because I get bored easily, and I started looking for new podcasts that are there in recent times, and I have come across few of the podcasts which I genuinely follow, and I thought that I will share those with you. You can listen to a podcast in Spotify, Saavn, or in Apple or iTunes. Now podcasts can be broken up into series like in the TV show. They may be weekly, they may be daily, or they may be monthly, but normally podcasts take place every week. That is the most common schedule that they have. Podcasts generally include a host or a hostess who host the show, chat show, and they sometimes talk about things themselves, or they invite someone, a celebrity, a chef, or an influencer, and they talk about things with them and they telecast that, and you have to listen to that. I am so hooked to podcasts right now that I can't sleep at night without listening to few of them, and I thought that I'll share my favorites with you all. So let's get into it. The first one that I would talking about is my favorite. It is known as Harry Potter at Home. So I have been a Harry Potter fan since I was a child, and anyone who is a big Harry Potter fan like me will relate to me, and I think this particular podcast show will keep you hooked to the fact that you will forget about everything and you will just keep on listening to this, because many celebrities and many of the actors who have acted in Harry Potter movies will be reading out few chapters from the book. They have currently the first two chapters of the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone being read out by the one and only Daniel Radcliffe, who read the first chapter, and I love his voice, and of course because he was himself a part of the movie, he could feel from within, and he himself has read as Harry Potter. I love the fact that this is such a unique concept for the Harry Potter fans out there all over the world, and this is a unique experience for me, and Harry Potter has a special place in my heart, and I think for many of us, and I am sure that you will love this. You can listen to this series on Spotify. The second podcast that I would be talking about is known as Musafir Stories. This is available in Spotify. I have been listening to this podcast for the past few months, and I'm really liking it. The Musafir Stories is a wonderful online podcast which talks about iconic and all sorts of travel destinations in India. And this is an audio podcast which documents Indian travel tales. In each episode, they share the travelers' experience in their own words, and the travelers relive their experiences by sharing those with the listeners. And it's a unique experience. You will go through beautiful places in India just by listening to it, and you will get to know so much about the beauty and the landscapes of India. You will also get to know the wonderful experiences that the travelers have from time to time, and it's a wonderful thing to listen to something like this, because there are so many unique experiences that the travelers face while they travel, and they share their rich experiences. They also inspire others to travel and explore new places and the beautiful picturesque landscapes that India has to offer. And this is the reason why I love the Musafir Stories, because you get to visit the place through their words and through their stories, and you also have a unique experience like them, and you can connect to the person who is talking. It's wonderful. The third one is known as Mind in India. Mind in India prides itself as being India's first indie music podcast. They feature discussions with great musicians both from India and abroad, and you get to know so much more about music and different kind of music that exists throughout the world. If you are a music lover, then you will definitely love this podcast show, because there are so many genres of music that they cover. They see great talent and they put them out to you to know, and you get to know and get to listen to so much of great music. They not only showcase the versatile and the genius and already talented and great musicians, but also the newbies who have just started their career. It features all kinds of artists, from pop artists to rock to punk to hip hop. So you will get to know so much more about music from this show, and in each of the episodes they conduct an interview with a great musician or a band or someone who has a great deal of knowledge on music. And I love listening to this because I used to sing at some point of time, though I have limited knowledge on music, but it's a great show for anyone who loves music, and that's why I thought that I should share this, because there are so many people out there who love music. Why not listen to a podcast show which showcases so much of talent and so much of great music? The last podcast is related to food. It is known as No Sugar Coat by Pooja Dhingra. Now, Pooja Dhingra is the owner of Love 15 Patisserie that has outlets throughout Mumbai. When I visited Mumbai, I had their macarons and I absolutely loved it. And I love Pooja Dhingra because I follow her on Instagram, and I know that she's a wonderful baker and she's an entrepreneur. She's an inspiration for so many businesswomen out there who wants to start their own business in the F&B world. In the first season of No Sugar Coat, she invited the who's who of the F&B industry, and she had a heart-to-heart conversation with them, and the listeners got to know so much more about the big restaurants and the cafes that they go to, and what happens behind the door. For all the food lovers out there, you are going to enjoy the behind the door stories of your favorite restaurants and favorite brands, and anyone who is willing to start your new journey in this F&B industry, you will get to know so much more information about this world and industry. I love listening to these interviews that are being held in this show, and I thought that if you are a food lover like me, then you will also enjoy this show. So these are the few podcast shows that I have been listening to for the past few months, and I thought that since podcasts are a huge rage right now, so I should be doing a video on that. Let me know if you listen to any other shows on podcasts, then I will make sure that I listen to that as well. And that's it for today. If you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.